Hello magical people, are you a law of attraction follower? If yes, then I am very happy and excited to share with you today 5 common mistakes most law of attraction followers are making. I am Magical Mohit, your law of attraction coach, and in this video I am going to help you out to start practicing law of attraction properly so that you can also manifest all your goals and desires in life. So these are the 5 common mistakes that I have observed in my last 10 years, 11 years of experience. So I am practicing, following and doing research on law of attraction from the last 11 years of my life. And I have been teaching law of attraction. I have been conducting workshops every month-on-month basis from the last 5 years of my life. I've helped more than like 20,000 people till now. And I talk to so many people daily that I have found some common mistakes that people are making in their life. So one of the first common mistakes is that people watch lot of videos, people read lot of books, but they don't actually practice what they are learning. So this is the first common mistake, is start practicing. Don't just read, because gaining knowledge will not change your life. You have to practice what you learn. The second mistake is letting go. I have seen that majority of people, they're always thinking about their goals 24/7, and then they get anxiety and they overthink and they start feeling negative about their desires. So letting go is very important. Letting go means you have to live in the present. You have to stop thinking about your goals all the time and just enjoy the present. You have this ब्यूटिफुल डे, आपके पास एक पूरा दिन है, आप उसको एंजॉय करो. सेलिब्रेट एवरी डे ऑफ योर लाइफ. हर एक मोमेंट को एंजॉय करो. वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग राइट नाउ, यू हैव टू जस्ट एंजॉय इट. Coming to the third mistake, the third common mistake that people do is they think a lot about desires, and because of that they start thinking, what if this doesn't happen, what if that doesn't happen, or how it will happen. So start thinking about the negative parts of the goal. That is something which a lot of people do. It's a common mistake that they do, and it tends to happen because our mind is reprogrammed from childhood in such a negative way that majority of people in this world are negative because of the childhood. And it is not your fault, guys. It is not your fault. If you see the society around us, majority of people are just teaching their kids to be negative, to plan about the worst case situation, to fear this, to fear that. So we have so many fear in us. We have become so negative from childhood that it becomes so difficult to stay positive throughout the life. So this is one of the common mistakes that I have seen in people who have been following law of attraction. Now coming to the fourth point, majority of people, they set unbelievable goals, like I want to be millionaire in just 1 day time period. I want to buy my dream house in 10 days. I want to attract 1 crore rupees in 5 days time period. So if you set such kind of goals, your conscious mind will not believe it is possible. You have to set believable goals. You have to start with something small. If you are planning to achieve, if you plan to manifest something in 1 week or 1 month time period, you should set believable goals which you believe, yes, it is possible. So if you are a business owner, if you are earning 1 lakh per annum, you cannot write I am earning 1 crore per annum. This is something which your conscious mind will not believe. Start will increase, start increasing 10% or 20% every month on month basis, and 100% you will definitely get results. The fifth common mistake, or I would say the final common mistake that I have seen a lot of people are making, is they are either thinking too much about the past and getting depressed, or thinking too much about the future and getting anxiety and stress and overthinking. I believe that you guys will agree with me on this point, because I have helped more than 20,000 people in the last 5 years, and majority of the people, I would say 80% people, are either thinking too much about the future or too much about the past, and they are not living in the present, and that is why they are not happy, they are not enjoying their life, they are not celebrating their life, and this is one of the reasons why they are not able to achieve their goals. This is why law of attraction says that like attracts like. So if you are feeling depressed, sad, anxiety, tension, you are going to attract all these things more in your life. You are not going to attract your goals in life. So this makes your life more difficult. So you need to work on all these areas. You need to change all these areas. You need a personal mentor who can help you every day, who can guide you every day. If you find a mentor like me, and there are a lot of law of attraction coaches, if you find a good coach, you should definitely join the workshop. So for example, I conduct 31 days magical journey workshop where I personally mentor every student. I get to know about them, about their past lives. I get to know about their problems, about their goals. I study their life, and then I give them personal practices to do. So if you have a personal mentor like this, you will 100% get results. And if you want me to become your mentor, if you have any problem, if you are not able to practice law of attraction and get results, I will help you to achieve your goals. Just message me on Facebook or Instagram, or you can email me as well on this email ID given below, and I can definitely help you to achieve all your goals in life, and you can become one of the most happiest people in the world. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you really liked my video, please comment below, please like, and please share it with all your friends. I just wish you all to be happy and positive. I just wish everyone to achieve their goals, be happy and positive in life. Stay happy and keep watching my videos. Thank you so much.